variable air volume VAV system, first developed in the United States in the 1960s, represents a major advancement in air conditioning technology. Unlike constant air volume CAV systems with terminal reheat or dual duct designs, the VAV system delivers a constant supply air temperature while automatically adjusting airflow based on user demand. This ensures that indoor parameters consistently meet required comfort and performance standards. Because VAV systems often operate under partial load conditions, they can significantly reduce overall energy consumption by dynamically adjusting airflow and lowering fan power usage.